students, today I am back in the last session of our lesson, our diet. So let's start. In the previous video, we had discussed about the variety of food. Children, do you know in regions where rice grows in plenty, rice becomes a major part of the diet of the people living there. In regions where jawar or bajra are a major crop, people include more of bhakris in their meals. In certain regions, wheat is a major crop. People in those regions eat more chapatis. Fish is available in plenty in the sea. Therefore, the people in Konkan have a lot of fish in their diet. Depending on their seasons, we get different vegetables and fruits on different times of the year. Accordingly, the food items in our diet also change when there is a ceremony or festival that special dishes are prepared. Now we will talk about what care should we take about our food. If we wish to be healthy, then we must take care about our diet. We should eat all dishes made at home and not avoid eating things because we don't like them. Sprouted pulses and leafy vegetables must be included often in our diet. Yogurt and buttermilk should be occasionally. Avoid cold drinks and outside food products because we are tempted to buy them of their attractive wrappers as they are not good for health. Always remember, to keep good health, care must be taken about the food we eat. Now, we will have a quick revision in what we have learned in this lesson. All that we eat and drink in a day is together called diet. Age, physical labor, and the state of health cause diet to differ from person to person. Diet also changes according to the food items available in the different seasons. The foodstuffs readily available in different regions are different. This brings about diversity in people's diet. Eating a variety of foodstuffs in our diet helps to meet all the food-related needs of our body. The attractive and tasty food products that we see in advertisements may not be necessarily good for health. Okay children, this was our lesson, our diet. I hope you understood the lesson and you will take care of your health by taking good diet. Thank you.